Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Synco P1L. So now, let's get straight right into the unboxing. So now, let's start with the plastic. I like that, so it's easy to carry it around and it fits in your pocket, guys. Look at how small this is compared to my hand. It's like that. Okay, now I'm gonna read the instruction real quick. As you can see right here, there is a user manual. I'm gonna read this real quick and get back to you guys on how to use it. Okay, so guys, I've already read the user manual and apparently connecting this was pretty easy. The first step is to open up the box. As you can see right here, it's open and there is a button right here. Actually, I'm not sure you guys could see it. You just have to click 3 seconds on the button and the lights will blink on both sides, and now it's connected. Alright, so I have to plug this into my phone. As you can see right here, so now it's connected. Okay, so let's test it out. Now we're gonna test the sound quality on the Synco P1L. As you can see right here, both of my transmitter and receiver are already connected. So yeah, let's get started. Hello, how are you? Hello, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Can you hear me? Is this clear enough? Guys, now I'll be doing a long range test. It's not exactly that long, but I'm gonna go to the corner of my room and right there, and I'm gonna test out the Synco. Alright, so now I'm gonna leave my phone with the transmitter right here. Sorry, with the receiver right here. I'm gonna click on record. Alright, so I'm gonna leave my phone right here and I'm gonna go to the corner. Testing 1 2 3. 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 Hello, how are you? I hope you can hear me, and I hope everything is clear. Alright. So yeah, the test is complete. I'm not sure how's the sound quality yet since I didn't hear it. I'm gonna hear it later while I'm recording this video, while I'm editing this video. Alright, so yeah, that is for the long range test. Guys, I just found out that for the Synco P1L, there is also another feature, a cool feature, which is voice effect. Which means every time once you talk something like hello, it could change into a different voice effect. For example, a monster voice, a baby voice, or a male to female voice. If you're a female, you could change your voice to a male voice. So yeah, it's quite interesting and cool. There are, I think, if not mistaken, 8 or I'm not sure, but yeah, there are many types of effect. You guys could check it out later on. So yeah, it's a really cool feature. And now I'm going to test out the Synco once again. I'm gonna try to click a short press on the receiver, because on the manual, on the user manual, it says I have to short press to turn on the voice effect. So yeah, I'm gonna try it out right now, test it out. Hello. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm gonna talk a bit about the Cinco P1L battery life. I'm sure you guys will ask this question before buying something, especially a gadget or a mic or something you use it very often. So for this one, the Cinco P1L, it could last up to 5 hours continuously, but it also depends on how much you use it, since battery are hard to tell. I mean, it's hard to tell the exact amount of time you could use for a battery because it really depends. And if you're planning to use this for a whole day, I think it will not be a problem at all, because this thing, there is a charging case included as well. So every time when the battery is low, you could just put the receiver and transmitter inside the charging case and charge it. And also, to check the battery life of the charging case, you click the button right here. There is a button here, and just click it once, and you could see the light here. There is a line right here, there's a bar. So now actually it's on. There is 2 bars left, 2 bars of battery left, which is quite a lot as well. So this is basically the end of the video, but I'm gonna do a short conclusion whether is the Synco P1L worth it or not. So if you're planning to get this to do some short vlog or video, or maybe you're doing a live stream, I think this microphone is really suitable for indoor use. For outdoor use, I've tested it once outdoor, because I don't shoot much vlog or videos outdoor. Normally I shoot it indoors, but outdoors, I've tried it once, and I think the quality is not that bad as well. It's pretty good for the price range of this. So yeah, mostly I use this indoor, so indoor usage is perfectly fine. You don't have to worry about anything. It's really smooth, really clear, and you don't have, I mean, because you don't have any surrounding noise disruption, I guess that's why it's better. And also in the box, Synco has included the charging cable and this one. This is the important one. Basically, this is for you to plug in to here, and plug into here, and connect this to your earphone or headphone. You connect your earphone or headphone to share your audio. So you have an option to hear it or not hear it. Everything is on the user manual right here. I've read it thoroughly, and I kinda get a hang of it already. I mean, yeah. So is it worth it or not? It really depends on you. For me, this Cinco P1L is quite a good mic. For the price, you get this good mic, and it's so simple to use. It's really light, and guys, I cannot stop thinking about how light this case is and how it can fit in your, yeah, it could fit in your pocket, and you could put this in your bag, guys. It's so small that you could fit it anywhere in your bag. You could bring this for, I don't know, like a trip to anywhere, like you're doing a travel vlog. You could just put this in your backpack and take this out easily, connect to your phone, and start using it. That's what I think. That's really convenient. So yeah, it really depends on you, but this is my opinion. I think it's worth it for those who are starting to, for those who are vlogging, who really wants convenient and lightweight, easy to carry on, have many features, and yeah, basically those things. So I guess that's it for this video. See you guys in the next video.